Donald Trump says his tax plan will simplify the system and create jobs, and now analysts are taking a closer look at those details. One America's Cameron Kramer explains what a major tax organization thought of the plan and how it stacks up against another 2016 candidate's proposal.
The policy papers have been published. The claims have been made.
I'm cutting taxes. I'm going to create a lot of jobs. I'm going to get rid of a tremendous amount of waste.
And now the analysis is in. The Tax Foundation, a nonprofit think tank established in 1937, took a closer look at Donald Trump's tax proposal. The organization created models using major portions of Trump's plan, as not every single aspect was clearly documented. So using that framework, here's how the 2016 frontrunner's proposal plays out.
I think the economy will grow rapidly and we'll have something very special.
On this point, the Tax Foundation says Trump is correct. His proposal would significantly reduce marginal tax rates and the cost of capital, which the organization says would lead to an 11% higher GDP coupled with 29% larger capital stock, a 6.5% boost in wages, and more than 5 million more full-time jobs. When put against the Tax Foundation's analysis of Jeb Bush's tax plan, Trump bests him in GDP gained, capital stock, and job creation, as Jeb's proposed plan would add 2.7 million positions, about half as many as Trump's proposal. In terms of revenue, the analysis shows Trump's plan would reduce federal revenue by just shy of $12 trillion over 10 years. The bulk of that is tied to the reduction in individual income taxes. But on his website, Trump said his proposal would be revenue neutral. The 11% GDP growth and subsequent pay increases would help buoy some of that figure, but not all of it, according to the Tax Foundation. Trump says eliminating or reducing deductions and loopholes for the uber-rich will also help remedy the revenue shortfall.
The waste that I get rid of, is going to have a huge impact.
Trump named some of the loopholes he would close.
It ends the death tax. It's a double taxation. A lot of families go through hell over the death tax.
But he didn't name each and every provision, leading to the discrepancy between his vision and the Tax Foundation's analysis. In terms of Trump's four-component tax code, the organization believes the proposal would boost after-tax income for all taxpayers by more than 20%. Delving deeper, it shows middle-income earners, those in the 30th through 70th percentile, would see gains nearing 20%, while those in the 90th percentile, some of the top earners in the nation, would also see boosts in the teens. Under Trump's simplified tax code, the highest income earners would pay 25% instead of the current 39%. That difference would mean a 27% income gain for the top 1%. In other words, if Matt Damon made $10 million for a movie, under Trump's plan, the IRS would collect about $1.4 million less than under the current tax code. Damon backed Barack Obama in 2008, but more recently said he was disappointed in the president's performance. Time will tell if Trump's tax plan will make the Oscar winner a supporter, but Trump does have one key backer in his corner, billionaire economist Carl Icahn.
We need a president that can move Congress, and I think Donald Trump could do it.
Cameron Kramer, One America News.